We'd like to thank all of you for your support towards our 2-per-piece videos.
Before we go on, please leave a comment down below which outfit you like the most.
Yes, we'd like to hear from you guys.
Don't forget to also like this video and click the subscribe button if you are new to our channel.
Without further ado, let's jump into the video.
So the first one is Merida. We wear a dark green long sleeve top with a navy blue checkered shirt with a hint of orange. We also wear a dark brown slingback and metallic boots to emphasize Merida's adventurous personality. To brighten up the look, we also wear gold dot earrings. The second one is Moana. We combine a terracotta v-neck top with a cream tank top as an inner. This top is paired with cream pants and heels to give off the bohemian look of Moana. Lastly, we use a nude shoulder bag with gold touches and gold jewelries to add some sparkles to the look. Next is Vanellope. We wear a dark green hoodie dress and black sneakers. We also wear a black backpack to truly reflect the look of this lively and fun princess. The last two princesses are none other than the famous sisters Anna and Elsa. So for Anna, we combine a mustard sleeveless turtleneck top with a black long sleeve v-neck as an outer. We pair this top with a gray skirt and metallic boots. To fully give off Anna's look, we use a brown slingback and a magenta scrunchies as finishing touches. For Elsa, we wear a baby blue long sleeve off-shoulder top and light blue ripped jeans. We also use white sneakers, a white bag, and silver jewelries to finish off this icy princess look.
Thanks for watching this video.
We'll see you next week, as always, Saturday evening.